Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how China became a manufacturing hub. For decades, China has been recognized as the world's factory, producing a vast array of goods for global consumption. This incredible transformation didn't happen overnight. It was the result of a strategic combination of policies, resources, and economic shifts. We'll explore the foundational elements that propelled China to this prominent position in the global economy, understanding the journey from an agrarian society to an industrial giant. A pivotal step in China's manufacturing ascent involved strategic economic reforms. The government implemented policies that welcomed foreign direct investment, creating an attractive environment for international businesses. Special economic zones, or SEZ, were established, offering tax breaks and streamlined regulations. These zones became magnets for global manufacturers, eager to leverage the new opportunities and establish efficient production facilities within China's borders. China's vast and cost-effective labor force provided a significant competitive advantage for manufacturers. Millions of workers were available, enabling high-volume production at lower costs. Simultaneously, the nation undertook monumental infrastructure projects. New highways, railways, and state-of-the-art ports were constructed, facilitating the smooth movement of raw materials and finished goods. Reliable power grids were also developed, ensuring uninterrupted industrial operations across the country. The development of highly integrated and efficient supply chains was another critical factor. Manufacturers could source components and raw materials locally, reducing lead times and transportation costs. This dense network of suppliers and producers fostered an ecosystem where industries could thrive and innovate. As a result, China became an indispensable part of global trade, solidifying its role as the world's primary manufacturing hub for countless products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.